Well, hi there. Welcome back. Dan again from Clean Guru. So you often hear, get out of the cleaning. You got to get out of cleaning. And I think we all understand what coaches and different folks mean when they say get out of cleaning. They mean you have to get to the point where you're large enough that you can have others doing the cleaning for you so that you can work on the business, not necessarily be in it doing those jobs. And it makes sense. I understand that. I just wanted to make a point to I hope we also remember this first, that the cleaning jobs we're talking about that you're trying to get out of, that they're as great as you can make them, that they are that they're jobs that you've created, that anyone that you hire, that it has the potential for them, whether it's 3 hours or 5 hours a night or more, that it has the potential for them to feel really proud of working for you, proud of the work they're doing. For example, having enough hours for them to clean so they don't have to race through it, that they can do a good job, to have enough training so they know what they're doing, to have enough motivation that you encourage them, enough communication that they know how they're doing. If all those things are in place, then each of these jobs can be a very good job that has the potential for any new person or regular person that stays to feel good about it. Then, when we say get out of cleaning, that simply means that you want to get on to grow the cleaning company even more, to not be doing the day-to-day cleaning, but that every job you have was a very good cleaning job, and you're just trying to get more of them to build a company. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.